Hello students, welcome back. Children, last week we have done grammar. In that we have done sentences. But now as you have got the books, you might have got these books. So take out your grammar book and open page number 5. Page number 5. Here the first lesson is about the sentences. Last week I explained you about the sentences. One more time we will repeat the sentences. About the sentence, read the following group of words. Here you can see 3 pictures. One is of cat, then there are 2 friends, then there is a girl. In this it is written, in this picture it is written only the cat. Here 2 friends, Aman and Bhuvan. Then here Riya, a girl, Riya. But they are not showing anything, any complete sense. Do these group of words convey any complete sense? No, they are not conveying any sense. Now look down. Now read the following group of words. Now here in this picture, what do you see? You see a dog. What is he doing? He is drinking milk. So what is written down? The dog drinks milk. You are finding it a complete sentence? Yes, no? Yes, this is a complete sentence. Here you are finding only a picture of a cat. What was written? The cat. Now here what the dog is doing? The dog drinks milk. This is a complete sense. Here Aman and Bhuvan, what they are doing? They are doing nothing. They are just, you find them looking. But here Rishabh and Mayank are playing. What are they doing? They are playing. So this is a complete sentence. Rishabh and Mayank are playing. Here Riya is, here only Riya is, it is written only Riya is. And here you see a boy, a picture of a boy. What is he doing? Himanshu is eating an apple. What is he doing? He is eating an apple. So here this sentence is complete. These group of words convey a complete meaning. So they are called sentences. They are conveying a meaning. मतलब वो हमें कोई मीनिंग बता रहे हैं, ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं उनके बारे में हमें बता रहे हैं, तो वो एक सेंटेंस बन गया है. Now tick right the one which is a sentence and put a cross out the one that is not a sentence. मतलब जो भी नीचे दिए गए हैं उसमें जो सेंटेंस है उस पर हमको कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है उस पर हमको टिक करना है, और जो कंप्लीट सेंटेंस नहीं है उस पर हमको क्रॉस करना है. वी हैव टू पुट अ क्रॉस विच इज़ नॉट अ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस. Now first, what is the first number? Bhargavi and Anushka. Do you find it a complete sentence? No, it is not a complete sentence. So you will put a cross over here. Then Mohit is eating an apple. What is Mohit doing? Mohit is eating an apple. So this is a complete sentence. So you will put a right over here. Then turn the page. Now read these important rules. There are some rules about the sentence. What are the important rules about the sentence? The important rules about the sentence are, every sentence, I told you last week also, every sentence begins with a capital letter. Means जब भी हम सेंटेंस स्टार्ट करेंगे वो कैपिटल लेटर से स्टार्ट होगा. देन एवरी सेंटेंस हैज़ अ वर्ब. मीन्स हर सेंटेंस में देर इज़ अ वर्ब. वर्ब यू विल रीड फर्दर इन अदर चैप्टर्स अबाउट द वर्ब. देन थर्ड इज एवरी सेंटेंस एंड्स विथ अ फुल स्टॉप. मीन्स जब भी हम कोई सेंटेंस कंप्लीट करते हैं तो किससे ख़त्म होता है? वो एंड होता है फुल स्टॉप से, या फिर और अ क्वेश्चन मार्क और एन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क मीन्स ऐसा जो मार्क होता है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एन एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. नो सेंटेंस इज कंप्लीट if it does not follow these 3 rules. अगर हम ये 3 rules follow नहीं करते हैं तो इसका मतलब वो sentence complete नहीं है. Then order of words is also important in a sentence. Means अगर हम sentence को proper order में नहीं लिख रहे हैं तो वो भी complete sentence नहीं होगा. Like read the following group of words. First क्या है? What is the first sentence? To play I football like. Dog the bones likes. Baby is the in cradle the sleeping. Now these group of words do not convey any meaning. अब हम ये sentences पढ़ रहे हैं तो हमें कोई meaning समझ में आ रहा है इसका? We are not finding any meaning with these words. Now read the same group of words again. अब हम वापस से पढ़ते हैं. I like to play football. यहाँ पे क्या था? To play I football like. And now we have assembled the words properly. तो अब क्या हो रहा है? I like to play football. Second is dog the bones like. Now हम उसको proper form में लिखेंगे. The dog likes bones. मतलब dogs को bones अच्छी लगती है. Baby is the in cradle the sleeping. The baby is sleeping in the cradle. मतलब ये जो बेबी है वो अपने झूले में सो रही है. Now each group of words follow all rules of a sentences and conveys a proper meaning. ये जितने भी sentences है, all these group of words they are conveying a meaning. मतलब उसमें कोई उसका meaning निकल रहा है. Now arrange the following groups of words in a proper order to make meaningful sentences. Now these sentences are not written in a proper form. They are jumbled. So we have to rearrange them. We have to write in the proper arrangement. First word is mango, sweet is the. Now what will be the proper sentence? The mango is sweet. Okay, this is the proper form, and the sentence is starting with the capital letter and it is ending with a full stop. So whatever you will write down over here, it is written with the capital letter and it will end with a full stop. Now second is skipping Veena is. So what will be the proper form? Veena is skipping. Skipping means रस्सी कूद रही है. वो वीना रस्सी कूद रही है. फर्स्ट वाला क्या था? मैंगो स्वीट इज द मैंगो इज स्वीट. यू ऑल लाइक मैंगोज, यू ऑल ईट मैंगोज. मैंगो मीठा होता है ना, तो इट इज रिटन द मैंगो इज स्वीट. नाउ थर्ड इज द ट्री अंडर कमल सिटिंग इज. नाउ इसका प्रॉपर फॉर्म क्या होगा अगर हम सही सेंटेंस बनाएंगे इसका? दैट विल बी कमल इज सिटिंग अंडर द ट्री. इट विल एंड विद द फुल स्टॉप. कमल इज सिटिंग अंडर द ट्री, मतलब कमल ट्री के नीचे बैठा है. नाउ ऑल दीज रेस्ट ऑफ दीज sentences you have to do in your books. Now third C is look at the pictures and complete the sentences using suitable words. Now you have to look at these pictures. What are these pictures? And you have to write in the blank space. Tony goes to the, what you are finding over here? What is the picture? This picture is of a church. So you will write CHURCH, church daily. Tony goes to the church daily. Now turn the page. You have to complete all these sentences by looking at the picture. Now next one is match the words to make correct sentences. You have to match with the words that is given in front of them with the sentences. The glass. Now the glass, इसके आगे क्या लिख रखा है? गार्ड्स आर हाउस. तो ग्लास हमारा हाउस गार्ड करते हैं? नो. गार्ड द ग्लास इज़ अ बुक ऑफ ग्रामर. ग्लास कोई ग्रामर की बुक होती है? नहीं होती है ना. द ग्लास इज़ एम्प्टी मीन्स ग्लास खाली है. इसमें हम कर सकते हैं. या ग्लास लिव्स इन वाटर. ग्लास कोई पानी में रहता है? नहीं रहता है ना. तो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? द ग्लास इज़ एम्प्टी. तो सी के आगे यू विल राइट नंबर 1. देन अ शार्क. व्हाट इज़ अ शार्क? शार्क क्या होती है? शार्क एक फिश होती है. तो शार्क का क्या काम रहता है? शार्क लिव्स इन वाटर. तो इन फ्रंट ऑफ डी यू विल राइट 2. देन थर्ड इज this is a book of grammar. Here you will write third number. The dog. Who guards our house? The dog guards our house. So here we will complete our chapter, and in the next class we will start with the nouns. This you have to complete at home. Thank you.